Hello everybody! Y'all aren't going to believe this, but this is Octember fail number 5. We're still dealing with Octember fail number 4, and that's kind of better. That AT205 is kind of getting into the seals and the leaks going down, so we'll continue to monitor that, but I needed to go get this truck out of the driveway where I could take the 81 out. And this is what happened. You can see my battery's super low. There you go. Got another dead battery. And I had, in a previous Octember fail with my mom's Nissan Juke, I've gone through the same procedure, so I'm not going to show that again because we just showed that. I'll link that video in the description and you can see what I did. Did the same thing here. Initially checked it with my BST 200 tester analyzer. It said recharge and test again. I recharged and tested again. It said replace battery. Well, it went ahead and started up and ran and did just fine, so I took it for a drive after I got the 81 Chevy back. And I had charged the battery up on it and it seemed okay. And then yesterday I decided to start this truck up again. And that's what I got, just what I showed you. So now I have already purchased the battery. Found some interesting information on that as well. It's another day. Here's a look at the replacement battery. It's comparable to the one that's in the truck from AutoZone, but it's $100 less money to buy it. And I went back with the Group 78. Which it came with originally. Last one they sold me was a 75, Group 75, and it's smaller and everything. It seems like it just never did. If you needed to start the car up multiple times, it'd die. So going back with the Group 78, a little corrosion there, so I'm going to dunk that in some baking soda water and clean that up before I put it back together. As a last resort, I did buy the funky battery cable for this truck, but we'll try that first and hopefully that's good enough for now. But I do know it's going to need to be replaced at some point in time, so better to have that on hand than not. So there's a look at that one. I'll have to pull it out and see what the date is. I just don't remember. 2021 I think, maybe 2022. But anyway, let's put the BST 200 on it just for giggles. It's been sitting a few days, so it's probably really discharged by now. Not quite sure I trust the validity of that, but that's pretty dang low. Okay, that's more in reason because my gauge doesn't budge in the truck when I turn the key on. So yeah, let's start getting this out of here. It's just gotta loosen that bar up and then hold down and it ought to come out. Yeah, we're getting quite the reaction. Lots of bubbles. So I'll get that all cleaned up and tidied up and rinse it down and should be good to go. So I went ahead and pulled the cover off of that terminal just to ensure I got as much corrosion out as possible. I soaked that in the baking soda water for a little while, got it pretty well cleaned up, then sprayed it with that red protectant. Now I'm going to put that back together. There's how the connector came out. Pretty good. Much better than it was. Well, it put up a pretty good fight, but I got it. Now, of course, this is all optional that I'm doing here, just kind of cleaning and tidying up a little bit before I put everything back together. Perfect fit. Well, let's get this put back together. Hold down in. It's like we're trying to cross thread to me. I don't remember this battery being this difficult to connect before. Take that screw out before, but maybe I did. There's just not much room. Get my hand in there and get that started. I might have it started now. It's a little bit ridiculously difficult to get started this time. Not sure what that was about. My hands couldn't do the movements. I got it going now. Well, after all that, let's see if we did any good. 12.47 volts, that's a lot more respectable. I bet it'll start like that. .24 volts now. So hopefully we're good for a little while now. Well, let's see how the new battery stacks up. Well, what do you know? Good battery. Cool. See how long it lasts. So once again, an Octember battery fail. Second one this year. Thank you for watching.